Hi, welcome back. Yes, it is running. I just put in a new carburetor kit today. The carburetor was completely full of gunk, and I put in a new carburetor kit and it's running. It has a little bit of a manifold leak, but the idle is fine. Well, it's been a few days since I installed the carburetor kit, and let's see if she'll run. Try again. Well, I think that did the trick. So, I'm back in the shop again, and I'm definitely glad that the engine is running. There'll be some little stuff we have to do to it later, but for now, we can at least drive it into the shop and work on it. And yesterday I was sanding this grill. I got the back of it painted, and so today I'll tape some of the back off and turn it over and get the front painted. So, yep, enjoy. Well, I'm just done with the last coat of clear coat, and I think it looks pretty good. Well, got it all assembled, got the new LED headlights installed. It's looking good. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.